So let's talk about the pros and cons of using Power over Ethernet to power your Modbus gateways. So the pros, I would say it's easy installation. So once you run the Cat6 cable from the network switch to here, that's PoE, easy. It's powered on. You don't have to wire in 12 volts DC. You don't have to provide a separate source 12 volts DC. You don't have to use a screwdriver to wire it in to unland them. Nothing like that. It's just a Cat6 cable. So that's the pro. The con is when you have to troubleshoot one of these. So let's say for some weird reason your this thing maybe defaults back to its factory settings or something, or your network configuration on the switch gets screwed up, and you can't communicate with this thing on the network. So like any wise controls person, well, they would go up to the Modbus gateway in the field. But the problem is you want to plug in your own Cat6 cable with your own Ethernet adapter, but this is already being powered by the switch. So the moment you take the switch Ethernet cable out, this will lose power and you can't do anything because it's powered off of the switch. So you have to bring a separate power source. So either you're going to wire in your own 12 volts DC power source to power this up, or you're going to have like a PoE gateway that can power this up. But it just kind of makes it more complicated when you troubleshoot these in the field. So you have to make sure you have extra stuff in your tool bag for that reason. So for me, I would always carry a PoE gateway, a PoE switch, so I could run two Cat6 cables, one into here, one into the PoE switch, so I could communicate with this thing and power up at the same time. Or I'd carry a 24 volt DC power supply with me at all times, so I could just power up that way too. It just depends on what my mood was that day.